Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. It's your Chef here again with new recipes. Today we're gonna make an egg roll with spinach, right? And we're gonna serve with some salad. Shall we start now? Okay, guys, using ingredient for egg roll. So I got here black pepper, salt, cumin powder. I got red pepper. It's I did very small shredded pieces. I got onion here, and I got here baby spinach, and I'm using some cheese. I got butter, and I got some egg. Shall we start now? Okay, first of thing, I'm gonna put some egg in there. I'm using 4 eggs. Okay, I'm gonna put some red pepper in there, a very small amount. Onion, again, it's a very small amount of onion I'm using. About half a teaspoon cumin powder, quarter spoon salt, and a half a spoon black pepper. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this all together. This is very simple recipe for breakfast. Okay, this is ready. Okay, shall we start cooking? Okay guys, okay, I'm gonna put some butter in there. Okay guys, it's ready. I'm gonna put egg in there. And now I'm gonna put a medium heat and put lid on top here. Okay guys, let's see. Okay, yeah, this is our omelette ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some spinach on there. I prepared this spinach before, so if you got spinach ready, you can use that, or if there's anything left for last night, you can use that. And then I spread. Okay guys, I spread it all And then I'm gonna put a lid top on again and leave it for another few minutes. Okay guys, this is ready. Okay, I turn this off. And now I'm gonna take this onto my table. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take this on foil. So now I'm gonna put cheese on here. Okay. Now I'm going to turn over this carefully, roll this. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this in here, right? And then I'm gonna put this, put a lid on there, and take it to the other side. I'll leave this for a couple of minutes on there. Okay guys, and then now I'm gonna turn this off and leave it for cool. Okay guys, I'll take this out. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this corners off. Okay, and then so lastly I'm gonna make this pieces. Same again on this side. I'm gonna take this off. Okay guys, now I'm gonna place this on my tray. Okay guys, this is my egg roll with the spinach ready, and I prepared my salad and garlic mushroom before to save a time. So what do you think about it? And if you like it, please let me know in comment section. And it's very nice breakfast, delicious. Okay, and you should try that. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.